in the services at the Army headquarters. He was in the MO Directorate during Kargil War. He was the defense spokesman. Thereafter, he was in the Director General of the Prospective Planning. And after that, lately he was Director General SD. And thereafter, he is already taken over the coveted command of the Eastern Command, that is at Calcutta. And to us, right from Kharagwasla, he is now the commandant. In fact, I was saying that this is one time the three-fourths of the Defence Forces training is with PPS Nava. In fact, Soni commands as a commandant of the National Defence Academy. We have General Sujlana as the Army commandant. We have General Jitendra Bajwa as the OTA commandant. I don't think any school can claim that honor that we have three officers almost more of the Army training is done by PPS Nava, and I have the honor of having Vikram with us. Again, he is the Eastern Command Army Commander. And I will say that we have more than 150 officers above the rank of full colonel above, and they are in the process of going up the ladder, because something a school needs to be proud of that. And I will say that something what we need to share with every one of you, it is not, I do not make the school, it is you people who have made the school. The foundation of the school, which has been laid by the VSOs, by the old teachers, by the old headmaster. There are no words which I can sum it up. Nobody's contribution is individual. It is a collective contribution. Every person who has come to the school, and their probably his contribution, if I say that I can say so-and-so's contribution is the highest and the lowest, it cannot be said that. Each one, every brick of the school, probably somebody has played a role in laying that brick, and the foundation is so strong. Even at times, always the school follows a little bit of up and down, but the school has been very, very strong in that conviction, because we have come all along the way, and school has done exceedingly well in that. And as of today, I will say we are rated among the top boarding schools of the country. And I again would like to convey my thanks to all our old teachers, VSOs, who have come all the way UK, and they have spared their valuable time in being with us on this particular evening, even tomorrow. Certainly, I would like to give a big hand to every one of them, so that they please give a big hand to them. And I'm also thankful to all the old NABARDs who have taken time off their hectic schedule, especially Kona chapter, even otherwise across different platforms. Yes, they have done a lot. And I can say that your presence has made our day. There's no way I can compromise on that score. If you are not here with me, I don't think this function would have been anywhere. Aap ho to sara jahan hamare saath. I can only say that. Because something which we need to have, that a school cannot be made by the headmaster. It cannot be made by a present set of people who are here. It can only be made by you people. You have to build the past. That is how we enjoy the present. And as a present, we need to work hard. That is how we need to enjoy the future. And every one of us, something which I thought probably the second generation children from my old NABARDs is a large number, but not that large. Every child, sometimes we feel that they are here with us, they want to put across to another school as Doon School, maybe Mayo College, whatever before, but certainly there is a pride in my school, there is no way. And I can guarantee you that I consider we are as good as any other public schools in the country. Yes, we have our own conviction, we have strong ideas for different schools, but when we go across to those schools, those boundary walls, when we enter, we have a lot of things which come to the light. Being in the education trade, we have gone across to those schools. When I compare those, the basic strength of values of the school, that is, in terms of their sincerity, their honesty, their forthrightness, their convictions, they are much stronger here. We do not have any problems of that nature which any one of us generally visualizes in the schooling platform as of today, because the media, the television, they are doing exodus of information which is coming all the way to us, and that is something which we have to safeguard the kids as of today. And certainly as in the schooling platform, what we say, they are doing exceedingly well with us, and we can guarantee you that something what you left behind as a legacy, that legacy we are doing it, and we are doing best to continue to tread on the path of onward and upward. And I will not take much of your time, because once again I would like to thank every one of you for being with us this particular evening and certainly tomorrow, because with your presence, everything is perfect with us. And without your presence, nothing was perfect. Thanks a ton. Jai Hind.
Junior section, Class 4 Holiday Book Prize, R0853, Mansi Bhi. Class 6 Holiday Book Prize, R0882, Kriti Verma. Between R0702, Arshdeep Singh, and J0808, Nazimul Haq. Junior Punjabi Prize Share J0893, Junior Hindi Declamation Prize D0810, Neha Bansal. Junior Punjabi Poetical Recitation Prize Share F0837, Amreen Ford Khera. Junior English Declamation Prize J0952, Josh Benjamin. Junior Social Studies Prize R0770, Jashandeep Singh. Thank you, sir. May I now thank you, sir. Tinu Gar. Junior Punjabi Declamation Prize, Junior Punjabi Poetical Recitation Prize, Share S0838, Halim Kaur. Junior Computer Prize, Share Junior Environmental Education Prize, Share R0694, Shubham Gar. Class 5 Holiday Book Prize, Junior English Poetical Recitation Prize, S0839, Smiley Little. Junior Mathematics Olympiad Prize, Junior Art Prize, J0961, Bhavna Mangla. Junior Computer Prize, Shared, Junior Environmental Education Prize, Shared, Junior Punjabi Prize, Shared, J0752, Rajdeep Singh. Junior Mathematics Prize, Junior Computer Prize, Shared, Junior Environmental Education Prize, Shared, Junior English Prize, Junior Hindi Prize, Junior Punjabi Prize, Shared, Junior Science Prize, and Class 7 Holiday Book Prize R0758, Arjun Kaur.